Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 135. Start. Number 1. Dear sir, we are sending you herewith a final notification that the quarterly premium on your insurance policy number 42,691 is payable on 25th March, that is, in 2 days, full stop. 2 previous notices have been sent to you, full stop. New para. You will realize the danger of permitting the policy to lapse through neglecting to pay the premium in time, full stop. Serious financial loss may be the result of such neglect, full stop. Very truly yours, Number 2. Dear sir, experience shows that very frequently a courteous note pointing out that an account is overdue results in prompt settlement, full stop. New para. No doubt you have neglected to pay your bill through carelessness, but you will note that the account really should have been paid some time ago, full stop. We should appreciate receiving your remittance at the earliest possible moment, full stop. Your cooperation in this matter will be very much appreciated, full stop. Very truly yours, Number 3. Gentlemen, we are now carrying a complete line of radios and pianos in our furniture department, full stop. Many different makes are represented in the instruments we are showing, and you will thus have a convenient opportunity of seeing and comparing the various makes, full stop. New para. You may purchase any instrument you desire and you can pay for it at your convenience in easy installments, full stop. Cordially yours, Number 4. Gentlemen, we sent you today the following telegram, inverted comma start. Material received has wrong finish, full stop. Exchange for quality specified in order, full stop. Inverted comma close. We would appreciate your shipping the material of the correct quality and finish immediately, full stop. Yours truly, Number 5. Gentlemen, we frequently have inquiries for outdoor furniture in our hardware department, comma, and we believe that it would be worth showing a limited variety of garden chairs and tables, comma, etc. Will you kindly ask your representative to call when he is in this neighborhood to give us a few suggestions? Full stop. Sincerely yours, comma.